Good morning, happy homeowners. I'm back here in Brea. This is the next day. I still don't know how to figure out how to put this landscape. I tried it yesterday. I don't know, we're stuck with this. But we got it started sanding. We gotta hit it with the edger as well. We're getting all the big parts done. We're starting to fill in with some putty, the cracks you can see there. It's looking real good. This part over here is the real good part, where we did the install. I think it looks really great, and once we get this whole part sanded, it'll blend right in like there was never any issue. Yeah. We're doing good. I'll show you over the entryway in the living room with that beautiful walnut strip. I know I went on about it yesterday, but it is my favorite part. You can see we're filling in with some putty. Yeah, but it's looking really good. And then once we get this all sanded